Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today let's talk about STSC SHAR ISRO टीचर वैकेंसीज प्राइमरी टीचिंग सिलेबस के बारे में हम आज बात करने वाले हैं कि कौन सा सब्जेक्ट कितने मार्क्स का है, कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, कहाँ से प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं। तो जो टोटल मार्क्स है वो है 180 मार्क्स और पर क्वेश्चन ईच क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर फॉर 1 मार्क्स। लाइक जो भी क्वेश्चंस है वो 1 मार्क्स का एंड देयर इज़ नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग इन दिस एग्ज़ाम। सबसे पहले इसमें है जनरल इंग्लिश विच विल बी देयर फॉर 10 मार्क्स एंड जनरल हिंदी ऑल्सो 10 मार्क्स एंड like normal questions will be there as maybe you have prepared for the KVS or any other exam. So normal that general English and Hindi will be there, which like a grammar part you can prepare for it, or you can follow any KVS primary teaching exams PYQ also will be helpful for it. And later on we'll talk about that current affair and the part 2 it is their general awareness reasoning and proficiency in computer. So करंट अफेयर विल बी देयर फॉर 10 मार्क्स जो कि कहीं से भी आ सकती है, तो आपको सारी ही करंट अफेयर प्रिपेयर करनी पड़ेगी इसमें। लाइक आई कांट टेल यू दैट दिस पार्ट यू कैन प्रिपेयर और दैट पार्ट यू कैन प्रिपेयर, यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द ओवरऑल करंट अफेयर्स फॉर 10 मार्क्स एंड देन रीजनिंग एबिलिटी फॉर 5 मार्क्स। रीजनिंग एबिलिटी जो भी बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स है, बेसिक टॉपिक्स है लाइक डिकोडिंग कोडिंग एंड clock maybe and puzzles like that topics will be there. Easy one, not very tough, easy basics topics you prepare for it, and you can follow the same thing for it also like KVS PYQs or any other teaching PYQs questions like PYQs like DSSB, KVS, NVS. That will be a very easy or immediate type of questions. Then next, computer literacy also easy questions, easy to like medium type, not very tough questions. So any book you can follow it here like Arihant book, Arihant publication, that can be a very helpful for it. You can follow that one. Then now let's come to the part third is perspective on education and leadership. Like basically it is a CDP, child development education. So for that you can follow many things, but you have to be a very conscious कि क्या पढ़ना है क्या नहीं पढ़ना है, because it's a like a very broad subject, so many things are there. And अगर आप पहले से ही किसी भी टीचिंग एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हो तो ये आपके लिए बहुत ईजी हो सकता है, क्योंकि जब मैंने एग्ज़ाम दिया था लाइक इन 2023 इट वॉज नॉट दैट मच टफ, इट वॉज क्वाइट ईजी एंड आई रिमेंबर दैट आई गॉट 56 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 60. So you can prepare the basic CDP and you can follow NIOS books or any other teaching exam books. Exactly I don't know, but if now as you are having time, so you can go for NIOS books for all the topics like understanding the learner, understanding teaching learning, creative conductive learning environment, and after that school organization and leadership perspective in education. So for this I feel that you should follow the NIOS books. Topic wise you can search in NIOS books and you can prepare all these topics. All topics are there in NIOS books. If you really want to know that कि कौन सा टॉपिक कौन से ब्लॉक में है, कौन सी बुक में है, सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपको बता दूँगी, वो भी सर्च करके। इसके लिए जितना मुझे याद है अभी लाइक ब्लॉक 2 एंड ब्लॉक 6 एंड 7, ये लीडरशिप वाली के लिए 6 एंड 7 एंड 2 जो है वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग द लर्नर, इसके लिए फॉलो कर सकते हैं। और डिटेल में चाहिए तो आई प्रिपेयर अनदर वीडियो फॉर इट। एंड आफ्टर दैट लास्ट पार्ट इज़ पार्ट 4 सब्जेक्ट स्पेसिफिक. तो it is maybe going to be a little bit tough part, and as we don't know that which subject will be there for how many marks, कोई आइडिया नहीं है, तो ये थोड़ा टफ पार्ट हो सकता है आपके लिए. इसमें 4 सब्जेक्ट्स विल बी देयर लाइक हिंदी, इंग्लिश, मैथ्स एंड EVS. तो जब हमने दिया था लास्ट ईयर, in that 30 marks English was there and 30 marks Hindi, and 10 marks maths and EVS. But this time they have changed it little bit, like you can see that subject specific is for 100 marks, but that time it was only for 80 marks and 60 marks for CDP. So I really don't know that for how many marks there will be a each subject, कैसे segregation वो करने वाले हैं. तो you have to prepare all the subjects, whether it is coming for 10 marks or 40 marks, it doesn't matter. So all you have to prepare all the four subjects, Hindi, English, maths and EVS, very nicely. You have to give your heart and soul for it, because 10 marks, you can see that in the part 1 also it is there, like languages. So there 20 marks and this is 100 marks, so it is for 120 marks. So you have to give your main focus for these four subjects, and then CDP, of course. Definitely you have to prepare well, and many of you are asking for coaching, books and all. So for coaching, I don't know that, and I really don't think so that there is any coaching, specific coaching for this exam. But you can follow the KVS, and that to KVS previous year vacancies syllabus, like 23 on 2023 wala batch, and it is also the same syllabus. So you can follow any classes or any coaching material according to that vacancies. And I hope, I don't know, but I hope that the syllabus and everything and the level of exam will be same. And for this, like especially for these four subject, Hindi, English, maths and EVS, you have to prepare very nicely. That's it. You can follow the KVS, you can follow the NVS, DSSB, PYQs, and it will be a really helpful for you. So prepare nicely, and if you have any doubt related to these vacancies, definitely without any hesitation you can ask me. I'll try to give you answer. I'll try to make another video. And so thank you so much. I hope I have cleared your all doubt. And many of you are asking me that whether this exam will be there in one language, English or Hindi, or bilingual. So it will be bilingual in both the languages. You can switch, like first you have to select one language, whether English or Hindi, then you can switch that question to another language, like that you can see the question. And there is no negative marking, of course. So prepare nicely, prepare well, give your heart and soul, and I hope that you will be selected for this post. Thank you so much. Bye bye.